Welcome to this quick hands-on video course on Facebook monetization. And in this course and in this video, we're going to be giving a brief overview of what we're going to be talking about. Now, in this course, we'll be discussing a method of Facebook monetization that you'll be able to implement while at the same time you'll be able to allow it to run without you being present. So in other words, what you're really trying to do is to set up an income stream that will eventually run without you. Now, this means that once you've automated your traffic, you'll be free to replicate this cycle in multiple niches. And what we'll be primarily talking about in this course is executing a content membership inside of Facebook. And as you know, Facebook being a place with a massive amount of traffic, you'll be able to not only utilize the traffic that's already there, but you'll also be able to take advantage of some of the features that Facebook will offer you to be able to put a private membership into motion. Now, the reason we do it in Facebook is, as we said, we don't need any software in order to execute the membership. It's easy to administer, and we'd be able to turn a content schedule over to an outsourcer. And this is really what's important. And one of the things that we'll be talking about inside of the course is interaction. I would imagine that that's what you're going to be concerned about, but you don't have to really be concerned when you're executing a content membership. Now, the most important aspect of this membership strategy is keeping potential members entering in at the top of the funnel. You're going to have a membership and you're going to have people paying on a continual basis. You need to have people that are constantly entering and paying into the membership. Now, most cases, due to the ongoing maintenance, you're probably going to have to pay someone to maintain the membership and maybe even to do some interaction. You'll want to have ongoing income to accompany it. And that's why you're going to want to have people constantly joining in order to justify the expense of having that person to maintain it. However, there are more monetization methods to consider that we're going to be talking about that will allow you to take this membership and even propel your membership even higher. We're going to be talking about putting other products in the funnel that will allow you to justify starting the membership. So as we get into the Facebook monetization method, get ready to start creating your own membership inside of Facebook. If you've never created a membership site before, you've never had a content membership, you never had a paid membership, you'll be able to do this inside of Facebook because it's so simple for you to be able to execute. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.